This time, it's about extra ingredient to double the flavor. I shared the basics of bulgogi and the choices of main ingredients earlier. In addition to my essential ingredient, Korean pear increases a fruity fragrance. By the way, apples do that too. Maesil-cheong, a Korean green plum extract, adds aroma and acid to enhance the flavor. What you see now is the advanced recipe. Let's go for more hacks. Instead of fresh Korean pear, you can use this Korean pear drink. Same with Maesil-cheong, you can use this Maesil drink too. You can even add a little bit of Coca-Cola for some flavor kicks. Substitute for sugar, you can use honey or oligofructose. Soju, beer, wine, or any alcoholic beverage can be a flavor enhancer. No worries, alcohol will burn off while cooking. I hope you can choose the best ingredient to satisfy your taste buds. More explanations are in the description. 안녕! Dear fellow YouTubers, if you're using my recipe, please mention my channel.